Did you know that sometimes the most magical learning happens when the moon comes out? Maya noticed something sad at school. Some of her friends were having trouble reading, but they felt too shy to ask for help. They were worried other kids might laugh at them. Maya had a wonderful idea. She turned her backyard treehouse into a secret reading circle. She hung sparkly string lights that looked just like moonbeams dancing in the night. Every evening, Maya invited her struggling friends to her magical treehouse. They read fun picture books together, celebrated every single word learned, and cheered for each other's progress. No one felt embarrassed because everyone was there to help, not judge. Something amazing happened. The kids who were once afraid to read became confident readers. They felt so good about themselves that they wanted to help the next group of kids who were struggling. Maya's Moonlight Reading Circle became a beautiful cycle of friendship and learning. She proved that when we create safe spaces filled with kindness and patience, everyone can shine as bright as the stars above.